Well, this is a probably one of the meanest snowstorms that Central Texas ever had. As you can see, our yard is buried in snow, and yeah, as you probably can imagine, I am at home right now because work is shut down. Here's some of our, this is the, yeah, there's a lot of snow. That's right by our boat, and yeah, this is our backyard, and our snow is it's just thick. And this is our side yard. It's also very covered. It is covered in snow, and yeah, it's pretty slick. I have to be very careful because the other night I slipped on the. Once I got in the house from coming in from the garage, I kind of fell on my behind. So this is our front yard. It's just probably some of the most unprecedented conditions that you'll ever see. And yeah, we're pretty much, the roadways are pretty, I mean, yeah, we're getting a lot of power outages in our area. Most of you who live in this area or the state of Texas are, we're having a lot of intermittent power failures. So this is our, yeah, this is probably some of the worst snow that I've ever seen in these in my lifetime in the Central Texas. Yeah, the road. So that's pretty much your Central Texas snow.